How to disable request desktop sites on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable request desktop sites on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings, and then click this one with page view and scrolling, and then click this one with page text size. Not this one here, request desktop sites. And if you want to disable it, just click on it one click, and as you see it have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.